Cat, remember this? This is the candle that we've used to our friendship. That we suddenly keep our promise that it will last forever. And we thought that it will stay for us for a longer time. But it's not. We missed you already. We missed our friendship. And we are going to see through it that don't worry, we still remember our promise.
Cat, things change when you're gone. We weren't as happy as before. I wish that we could go back there. Times you, me, Jake, and Alex were just having fun. Don't care about anything. As long as we were together, everything will be okay.
And now, you're gone. It's been a long time since we have our bonding together.
And it's impossible to have here now. Cat, I have something for you. This one is very memorable. Remember this red ribbon? We used to have our promise that we will always be there for each other, no matter what happens. We can never have it back. You left us.
We don't know where we're going to start because you're gone.
Cat, about the crime. The officials already know what you did to me. Really sorry about it. It's part of our promise, but it's for the betterment for all of us, for May, for her justice, and for your peace. I wish you could forgive us.
I know you're in a peaceful place right now.
Goodbye, May.
Bye.
Goodbye, Cat.
Bye, Kat.
We're leaving now.